हेलो दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें। साथ ही साथ बेल आइकन को जरूर प्रेस करें ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे और अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को कमेंट बॉक्स में शेयर जरूर करें। ओके, टिल द लास्ट वीडियो वी हैव ऑलमोस्ट कवर्ड इंस्ट्रक्शन साइकिल. So we have seen two subtopic under the topic of instruction cycle. First one was fetch cycle and second one was execution cycle. So we know that instructions are present in the memory and process happen within CPU and the updated value also being stored in the memory. So here we are going to discuss the different stages available under the execution cycle. Like we know that the fetch cycles, the work of fetch cycle is simply to fetch the instruction from memory. Okay, and what we do in the execution cycle, we first decode the instruction, then find out the exact size, then fetch the remaining part from the memory, perform the operation, and finally store the value in the memory. So there are several stages within the execution cycle. Let's see how many stages are available. We are going to take the simple example of x equals to a plus b. Okay, x equals to a plus b. We have to perform addition on a plus b and we have to store the value on the location x. Okay, let's suppose there is a memory here and at location 100 the instruction add a and b is present. Okay, let's say a has value 23 and b has value 68. H stands for hexadecimal value. Okay, now we have to perform these operations completely. So what we need to do first, we will fetch this instruction. Okay, only this instruction addition. Like in the first cycle, we are going to only recognize the type of operation. So first thing is fetch cycle. Okay, what we did, like we have a starting address like 100, from where program start. Okay, so first we did, we bring the instruction available at the 100 memory address. Okay, so we use system bus to bring instruction available at 100 position. So this cycle is known as fetch cycle. First fetch cycle. Okay, we have two cycles. First one is fetch cycle. What fetch cycle did, it's bring the first instruction only into the CPU. Then now we know that what type of instruction is, like a plus b instruction is of type addition. Okay, under the fetch cycle, under execution cycle, first operation we have done is we are going to decode it. After decoding, we are going to evaluate the exact size of this instruction. Okay, first we did instruction decoding यानी कि ID. Okay, instruction decoding. Then after decoding instruction, we found out that instruction is of size 3 word. Like instruction first address contains instruction, remaining 2 address contain the operand required to perform this operation. Okay, so we need A and B. So what we did, in the fetch cycle we have only brought this instruction. In the remaining cycle we are going to fetch the remaining part of this entire instruction. Okay, what that it means, that we are going to fetch these two operands of 101 position and 102 position. Okay, so we are going to bring them into CPU. It is known as operand fetch. Okay, we are going to fetch the remaining operand from the memory. Now we have available within the CPU, we have available A and B. And we already know that instruction is of type addition. So next thing is we have to perform the operation of this type. Whatever instruction say, it says we have to perform addition, so it will do A plus B. Okay. So after instruction decoding, what we did? Operand fetch. After operand fetch, we are going to process the data. Means perform the operation whatever type of instruction we have given. Okay. So process data. Under this instruction, we have performed the operation on the operand. Okay. Now we have available A plus B in the temporary register available under the CPU. Okay. Now we have finally write back this data into the main memory. Okay. Let's say we have to update X position. Let's say somewhere X address is available. We have to update this value. We have to store this value into the X location. Okay. So we are going to write back. We are going to write back the resulted into the memory. Okay. So entire execution cycle, entire instruction cycle contains